Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Fanglin in Hualien was originally home to the Atayal and Ami peoples. The Atayal name for the area is Maliwu, which means uphill. Hakka people were actively relocated to Fanglin under the Japanese occupation to support the sugarcane industry. The local Fanglin Hakka Cultural Museum has a rich collection of exhibits tracing the history and daily lives of Hakka people in the area.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And here on the radio, we're trying to bring you into different parts of Taiwan to learn more about the Hakka culture, and that's no exception today. 今天有没有什么地方比较特别的可以跟我们分享呢？
好啊，今天呢带大家去法脸烟的枫林镇。
枫林镇 in 花莲县，花莲比较少去聊到哈，因为毕竟我们想到客家文化都还是以西岸这边新竹苗栗高雄为主，但是花莲也有就对了。
对啊，其实花莲大部分都是原住民啊，可是你知道吗？在枫林镇那个原住民的同胞呢，他也会讲客家话哦。
Oh, is that right? 真的
对啊，
所以等于是除了他们自己的原住民文化，还带了一点客家文化在里面嘛。
就是当初在日据时代的时候，那个他们有一些从苗栗新竹的地方搬过去的客家人，然后到后来就慢慢的那个枫林镇客家人就越来越多了，所以客家话在当地呢也被普遍的使用。
So one of the reasons why this fusion happened is because back in the Japanese occupation era, the Japanese hired a lot of the Hakkas from, the West Coast to go to Hualien and to work over there. And so the culture kind of mended together, or they got absorbed together and fused together. And that's why over in Hualien, a lot of the people there can speak their own Aboriginal language, but also a bit of Hakka as well. OK, 这很特别。那如果我们到这个花莲的这个凤林的话，有没有什么地方我们可以去，可以更深入的了解？
当然啦，
一目了然那样子。
那边会有一个枫林客家文物館。
就是文物馆了，对不对？
凤林客家文物館。
Okay, this is actually a museum that is built over there in Fengling Township in Hualien County. It's called 凤林客家文物館。
枫林客家文物館。
枫林客家文物館。Okay, 文物館 is a museum. It's the Fengling Hakka Cultural Museum. And of course, in the museum, there's probably a lot of history. 其实我们到这个客家文物馆一定可以看到很多历史上的一些故事啦，还有一些东西啦，对不对？文物啦，等等。So now you know, even when you go to Hualien, you can also learn a little bit of Hakka. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
按子say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.